Boxing Day morning, cold in the air, breath turning wide down the Hayle starry there. The engines cough once, then they purr awake. Paintwork shining by the burning hand gates. Wax steel stories from another age, park wheel to wheel like a living page. Flat caps laughter, a flash passed round as the drone lifts up, no feet on the ground. From rusty dreams to polished pride, every mile still riding inside. And I'm flying from a drone over chrome and steel, bird in hand below, yeah, the moment feels real. Classic hearts beating in a winter parade, Boxing Day sunshine on a bygone age. From Hayle streets to the sky so wide, I'm flying from a drone on a Cornish tide. Bentley lines and a Ford V8, stories of roads that couldn't wait. Jaguar curves like the sea nearby, reflections of clouds rolling past the sky. Kids point fingers, old boys smile, talking carburetors, miles and miles. Oil stained hands, proud and warm, in the quiet roar of a winter storm. Salt in the air, history strong, every scratch has got a song. And I'm flying from a drone over chrome and steel, bird in hand below, yeah, the moment feels real. Classic hearts beating in a winter parade, Boxing Day sunshine on a bygone age. From Hayle streets to the sky so wide, I'm flying from a drone on a Cornish tide. Pub roof steaming, pints inside, engine's cool, but the love won't hide. Time stands still for a moment here, between the clutch and another year. I'm flying from a drone over Hayle today, over polished dreams that refuse to fade. Bird in hand, holding history tight, Boxing Day cars in the pale gold light. If you listen close, you can hear them say, we're still alive in every way. Take full. Frost on the forecourt, steam from
from a paper cup, chrome in the cold air, old engines waking up, number plates from everywhere, swords on the Cornish rain. We're laughing by the bonnet lines like kids again. Boxing Day at the bird in hand, hail wind cutting through my jacket, but the stories keep us warm. Boxing Day at the bird in hand, oh still new friends, same habit, we keep coming back for more. MK2's humming low, twin pipes in the twilight glow. Someone's dad with a Polaroid had one just like this, you know. Boot full of toolkits, boot stamping out the chill. A V8 coughs, then clears his throat. Whole car park stand still. Boxing Day at the bird in hand. Hail wind cuts in through my jacket, but the stories keep us warm. Boxing Day at the bird in hand. Oh, let 'em up, let 'em idle, let the heaters barely work. Windows fog with our breath as the turbos chirp. One more lap round the roundabout, back to where we stand. Rust and rubber, tea and talk by the bird in hand.